Okay, in this video, I'll talk about how you can very effectively for your Shopify store set up a affiliate program and then get a bunch of micro influencers and affiliates to sign up and automate that entire process of them signing up, actually getting a personalized, customized code that they can then use and promote your products to their audience, then tracking the sales that they make. Again, everything automated and paying out the commissions that you have agreed with those affiliates, right? So there's a way to do it. Let's just search affiliate, the most generic term we can do here. Yeah, you can see a bunch of apps. So we use GoAffpro. They're one of the popular ones, if not the most popular one. There's also UpPromote, affiliate, and referral. There's a couple. Again, do your own research. I think all of the top ones get the job done, right? It just depends what you want. I've just kind of become used to GoAffpro. They have a free version, and let me show you how that works. So first of all, if you sign up with GoAffpro, right, what it allows you to do is to essentially create a URL on that essentially attaches to your Shopify website, right? So then you have like a link that if people press on your website, it goes to this page and it says, for example, earn up 10% commission for every successful referral. And then any affiliate or micro influencer or anyone for that matter who wants to promote your product, whatever you want to call them, can just easily sign up, right? They can sign up. Like if you press join now, right, it's going to be a very easy like email sign up that takes like a minute. And then they automatically, right, get a customized discount code, which you can preset. And I'll show you how that works in the settings to then promote their products, right? And if they make a sale, having used that discount code, then they immediately get a commission, which in this case is 10%. Just an example. Again, you can set all of this in the settings. I'll show you in a second, once again. But that gets paid out then automatically to them, for example, on their PayPal or whatever they choose. So that's how we have set up our affiliate programs, right? I think this is a very effective way, again, to just automate the process of having potentially even thousands, hundreds of thousands of people coming up, signing up, getting a personalized discount code that you choose. You don't have to talk to them, you don't have to negotiate it. It is kind of a take it or leave it strategy, more of a volume strategy. Again, not necessarily mutually exclusive. You can run the proper influencer marketing strategy in parallel. That's actually what we do. And what I recommend, don't only do this as a separate strategy to influencer marketing strategy, have them both run in parallel. They're also going to complement each other. Anyway, and then if you actually go into the dashboard of GoAffpro, I just pulled up one of our stores. Again, this is a smaller store where you can see, in the last 30 days, it's been very quiet. We just have 16 affiliates, 16 orders, 2.6K. So this is just the main dashboard. And you can see that in total, the store has 505 affiliates. Those are all small affiliates or micro influencers. Again, I'm using this interchangeably, but hopefully you get the point. Those are people who, again, just are willing to sign up and promote your product to maybe a couple of people, but are still, they like your product. They're excited to partner with your brand. And again, in this case, we're paying them a commission. So you can see that on the overview we made with this affiliate account, we made 61K in revenue. And then because we just have a 10% commission rate, which I think we pretty much had from the beginning, and might be worth actually playing around with this and A/B testing it, which I didn't spend too much time on. We have 6K of commissions that we paid out, right? So you can calculate the return on that. Okay, so if you go to commissions, then you will see all the settings related to the commissions. Like I said, we have a 10% commission, which you can change. You can have you can have different tiers. You can do all kinds of commission rules. So it gets pretty advanced. And you can also, again, do product commissions. You can do commissions that are progressive or regressive, depending on if they reach a certain milestone, then the commission increases or decreases, right? I think that this app is pretty good actually in allowing you to set exactly the rules that you want. You then upload the creatives that you want the affiliates to essentially use for your store, right? So if they sign up, right, and I didn't prepare that, but again, you can just play around with this yourself, right? If you sign up, the affiliate then lands into a account of their own, right? From their perspective, this is the account. This is the account of the merchant, right? Obviously of the Shopify store. on their side, they essentially see, like, thanks for joining, this is your personalized code, right? And then they also see all the creatives that you have uploaded as the merchant that they can play around with, right? Where it says like, hey, feel free to use any of those videos, images, whatever else there might be, right, to promote the products. And then again, a bunch of other things that essentially explains to them how this works. There's an FAQ page and everything, so on and so forth. And essentially here in the affiliates section, you can then approve any affiliates that have applied, but again, different settings. If you want them to first apply and then you need to approve them, or if they're approved automatically, whatever it might be. And then, there's also an analytics section. So you can see that here you can, you obviously get the analytics in terms of what happened when. Okay, so you want to go through all the settings and set up everything that you want. And again, there's a lot of settings here. I didn't touch on most of them, but I think you get the point. This is how we do it, and it's a very effective strategy. Hey, before you bounce, check out some of the Shopify apps that we have built for our own stores, which might be useful for your stores. So we're very excited to hear your feedback, and check it out in the link below.